This is a potato. I'm gonna wash this first. My English is not good. I think. Okay, done washing. I'm gonna add a little bit. Where is my salt? Just a little bit salt. Anyway, my hands both are cleaning, both are clean. Yes. So do not hate me for this. A little bit garlic powder and what is this? Merica, you know merica? And then 3 tomato. At least I have the ingredients. I can cook everything. Everything turn into food. I like Italian food. Tomatoes, cheese, anything with tomato and cheese and pasta. I love it. Really, really love it. I'm just cutting my tomato. It's just more easier for them to apa bahasanya melt. No, why tomato melt? More easier to cook anything. Ngapain pakai bahasa Inggris? Yes, I'm studying English right now, so don't hate me, just support me and correct me if I'm wrong. I can't live without food, without money. Okay, so I'm going to fry these potatoes first, and then what I'm cooking, I don't know what I'm cooking. What food? I don't know. It's just garlic, tomato, potatoes, cheese, seasoning, and what is? We call it ontang. We call it ontang. Daun bawang. What is this? English name? Sorry, I forget all of my English. Sorry. I'm just waiting my pan getting hot like me. Ow! Oh my god, so cringe. Okay. I'm still learning for cooking, okay? Don't judge me. Oh my god. Mashallah. Cause this is midnight, bro. Midnight. I don't know what to call it. I'm gonna this into the pan. Oh my god, no. Oh, is that? You believe it? Oh my god. Bless me with this skill cooking, God, please. I can't cooking because I love food. It's water. No. I can't believe that I'm cooking right now, my god. Oh my god, God bless me with this skill cooking because I love food. I love making food. Ta-da! Guess what is this? This is a Mexican drink. Actually, I don't know. I forget the name of the drink. This is pineapple, ginger, and cinnamon, water, and sugar. lupa. Ini kedua kedua kalinya bikin. The first one, ta-da! I drink by myself. Wow. Yes, this is not alcohol, okay? Ini bukan alkohol. Lebih ke probiotik karena fermentasi dari buah alami ya. Ada gula, ada jahe, ada kayu manis, air biasa. 2 hari, 3 hari cukup. Lebih dari itu bisa jadi alkohol. It can be alcohol drink when you ferment it more than 3 days. Okay, I drink by myself. Oh my god, I'm so proud. It's so healthy. Okay, you can see my skin. Wow, I'm so healthy. I'm still cooking. Okay, it takes more than 1 hour maybe. Sometimes I cook just 10 minutes or 15 minutes. But this is, I don't know, because I'm making video too. It takes 1 hour. What time is it? I don't know. My clothes are dyed. I'm not fixing yet. I'm not fixing the clock yet. What am I gonna do? I have just 1 egg. So I'm gonna add the cheese. Italian use Parmigiano, but I use cheddar. Don't hate me, please. I just use what I have. If I have Parmigiano, I'm gonna use it. All my hands is clean, okay? Don't hate me. I'm done washing it. Every time I touch this, I'm gonna wash my hand. Every time I'm done touch this or that, I always wash my hand. Okay, I'm done cooking. You want to see? Wait a minute. So this is my food. It's like monster, right? Sorry, I just put in there just tomato, garlic, potatoes, egg, cheese, and parsley. I'm gonna what? Bahasa Inggrisnya mencicip itu apa? I forget all my English. When I watch English video or something else in English, I can understand it, but when I'm speaking to myself. Suddenly, I forget everything. This is the potatoes. It's hot, okay? I love it. I love it. What time is it? I'm gonna eat it. No, no. I'm on my diet, so I'm not eating at midnight. I'm just cook for my little sister, so she no don't let the breakfast tomorrow morning. Tomorrow, yes, tomorrow morning. Mm, I love it. Mom, I'm done cooking. You must proud of me. The elder sister. Wow, it's so good. Oh my god. Oh, for watching my shit video. No, my cooking video. Not my cooking video. It's just me randomly get bored, can't sleep, and then cooking in my kitchen. Thank you for watching. See you next time at my random day. Bye bye.